What's up, YouTube? Top Chef P checking in. I'm back down here at Lin Restoration, giving y'all another update on my cousin's 1975 Delta 88 build. And like I said on my previous video, they do not remanufacture the quarter pounders for these cars. So you pretty much have to weld in metal and fabricate it. And, well, after you cut out all the bad spots, of course. But Lin is doing a great job. If you are familiar with these cars, you know that they have a lot of grooves and unique patterns, you know, which is very important, you know, in terms of making sure that it's slick on the back end. But they've cut all the metal out right there. As you can see, they need to grind this down a little bit more. He pretty much fabricated this entire lower panel. Brought all of this down the middle so that he could see, you know, where the rust was actually at. Initially, we thought that it was going to be really bad around that belt line trim area, but it was actually pretty good once he got it down. I don't know what all he did right here, but he said he had to cut out some metal right there as well. As you can see the seams up here. Yeah, all of that was bad at first, so did a pretty good job so far. This is the driver's side. I'll give y'all a shot of the passenger side as well. This side appears to not be as bad as the other side. The metal that he had to weld in here isn't nearly as large as the other side, but as you can see, he still got some welding and grinding to do to get that down flush. You got it tacked in on the lower side, but you know, that's just to make sure that it's in place and so forth. This wheel well didn't have as much issues. Looks like he grinded that down pretty good to see where the metal was, but it's pretty good. He said that a couple of these portions right up behind the doors were pretty bad condition. As you can see, he already grinded this down pretty flush. That's some pretty good metal work. So he still got the bolts in, but you know they're gonna take all of that out. But yeah, these Delta 88s, man, they got some unique grooves, man, which is extremely important when it gets down to the body and paint. And also, Cuz got to get his doors worked on. He hadn't got to that portion yet. As you can see, he's been grinding down to, you know, properly assess how much metal work has to be, you know, performed. So, pretty good for the say it's only been down here a week. That's what I like about Lin, man. They don't turn down any work. They're a family-run business, and they get you in and they try their best to get you out as quickly as possible. They got a few partners that's supposed to bring their cars down here. Good people. With the exception of Jack, you know, they probably the more favorable people that I've had to work on my car. But yeah, just a little quick update on Cuz metalwork. 1975 Delta 88 Royale Convertible on the way. Top Chef P signing out. Like, comment, subscribe.